Hey guys, it's Eric from D&E The Garage, and we're back at the U-Pull in Marcy, New York. We're here on a very specific mission. I don't know if anyone would call it, keep my keys. If anyone caught our last episode on when I did the Autel Bluetooth scanner review, the OBD2 scanner review. I happened to blow 2 coils in my Subaru Outback that I drive as my wife's daily. And I'm here to pick up 2 more coils because I only had 2 in the car with me. So a very specific mission. I'm hoping they have it. I didn't call ahead to see if they had anything. I'll walk inside and ask them where they might have any 2010 to 2012 Legacies or Outbacks. Hopefully they got some and you can see me pull some. And I might need a rear view mirror for a Honda. So without further ado, I'm gonna go inside and get this mission on the road. Bye. Okay guys, so here's the deal. They don't have my Outback or Legacy here right now, but they do have all these other Subarus in these aisles. So we're gonna see if there's any other coils that might fit my car. I don't think there's going to be, but I'm gonna check. And this kind of really sucks. So this might be a quick trip to the yard for me. At least it's a nice, cool fall day. It's September 1st. Can't complain when you're not dripping sweat here. I love this yard because it's clean. I say it time and time again. Some meaty tires on that little Tahoe. Alright, let's get to the Subarus. Here's a 2009 Legacy, and those are wires, which I assumed was going to be the case. 1 year off, and they change everything. Not going to be a good day at the yard, guys. Stressing me out. Find a newer Forester. I might have coils that I need. Alright. Oh, there's a Forester, I think. Let's go. Those are actually the car seats I have. That's crazy that they're sitting here. Probably because of a car accident. They're like $300 each. There's a Forester. Ooh, man, that's a nasty rollover. Oh! Salvage due to appraiser. Yeah, and those are different types of coils too. Woohoo! Moving on. Found a couple more Subarus. This is a WRX. And then it has the same coils as that Forester. This one actually, I like the wheels on this. That's an Impreza, not WRX. Pretty new, pretty nice. I like the seats. I don't know if you guys ever wonder where all these cars come from, but usually, you can see Geico here, they're auction vehicles. Insurance just salvage them out, and then they go to a public auction where you can just purchase them up. And that's how most of these get here. Is that they have representatives from junkyards and people want to flip them and fix them up and just buy them for cheap and put them in a yard, or kind of just fix them up and put them out there. That's why you see, like in Pennsylvania, you look at Craigslist, you always see rebuilt cars, rebuilt title or salvage title. Means they buy a car that looks like this, not exactly like this, but similar, been in an accident, and rebuild the crap out of it until it's pretty much like brand new looking. Now, sometimes it's a problem for insurance companies if you want to drive a car that's been in an accident. I know sometimes you need to find specific vehicles that will actually let you do that. Not vehicles, specific insurances that will actually let you buy a wrecked up car like that and cover it under their insurance. So yeah, that's how cars come to the junkyard. Insurance companies buy them. Not buy them. Insurance companies tolls them out. Technically buy them back from the owner. They're giving them, they usually have a salvage value like $500 or whatever the copay, your deductible is. And then they auction them off and make money off them that way. It's this whole system that works that really no one loses money. Put it that way. Anything fun in here? No. Alright, I think I saw, yeah, got this guy here. My last chance really to find one. 2009 might work, might do it. Except I don't have a motor. Well, that sucks. Yeah, it sucks a lot. Well, continuing on in hopes of finding another forester of some form. Whoa! Whoa! I got big news to tell Doug, guys. It looks like to me Vince is gonna get a whole lot bigger up in Marcy, New York. Holy crap. That's awesome. Oh, Doug and I are gonna be so happy if this is how big the yard's gonna get. Oh man. Look, it goes all the way back there. Heck yeah. Side note, what the hell are these things? Those look like needles. Cool. Cool. That's why you don't walk barefoot in the U-Pull. Well, boy, that makes me excited for freaking Vince's U-Pull, guys. Makes me real excited. Alright, let's see if we can find another Subaru, and then if not, I guess we move on for the day. Woo! Alright, continuing on with our mission. Alright, got another Subaru. This looks to be like a 2014. No, 2012. And again, no motor. This sucks. Sucks so much right now. Let's see what year it was. 2010. That would have been the year I really would like to see. Just because that might have the same coils I have. But it looks like it might have been spark plugs. There's a valve cover to it. Oh boy, guys. So if you guys didn't know, you can actually, most yards do have somewhat of inventory. The ones that we go to in Pennsylvania, you can look that up online. And I wanted to go actually on, when did I want to go? Thursday, because he had a 2010 with 82,000 miles on it. And I should have just went to get the coils. I might just go when I get back. Because at least I know those are decent parts. This one I didn't call ahead because usually they do at least have one up here for me, but I was wrong. So, yeah, I'm thinking today might be a bust. Oh, well, that was that. Let's see what else we can find interesting. Oh, new fancy Beamer. I don't see many of those in the yards. Probably worth some parts on that. Snow tires. Actually, those are not bad. I do have my big gun today too. Those might be coming home with me. Alright, I'm abandoning Subarus for now. They've ticked me off. I see a Jeep I want to look at. Oh, excuse me. Well, hello. Oh. Wow, I'm not sure what happened here. Just kinda, yeah, looked like a tree maybe? I don't know. That'd be a tree or something. Took the intake out and the manifold out. Ooh, wow. Power steering snapped in two. So, you got a nice Commander. Someone took the motor out. Must have been a Hemi. Alright. I think I'm officially calling today a bust. Oh, wait. Is that Forester? No, that's Tucson. Oh, nines. Yeah, today's officially just went down the poop chute. Alright, well, this is gonna be quick and stupid one. This is the second time, guys, I've been at the yard and failed and just not gotten anything, and it kind of sucks. My own fault, just because, you know, I should have picked those parts up when I could have. Oh well. Here's a new Dodge Dart. Any of you guys drive one of these? It's supposed to be pretty cool. It ain't bad. I like the interior. It's pretty nice. Not too shabby for a compact. I like the bag. It's a nice little bag. Doug will probably take this bag. I wonder if I grab it for him. Yeah, looks not too shabby for a new car. I think if I needed like a nice long commuter, I'd pick it up. It's supposed to be fun to drive. Alrighty. Well then, this is Eric from D&E The Garage, and I'll see you guys later.